Welcome to Jim Bob Toys. This is going to be a video to show how to replace the tracks on the Ertl International TD-25 crawler. This has a marking on the blade of 452-7016. The scale on this, we believe, is a 124 scale. They also make a similar TD-25 that's a 1/16 scale, but they are two different dozers. Totally different, and so you can tell by the engine markings and by the exhaust stack here and by the hydraulic cylinders on the sides that which one you have specifically. So to take it apart, you start out with a small jeweler's screwdriver, a straight blade, and you'll notice a notch up in here on the cylinder, and so you just insert your screwdriver in there and gently press back on that, and you'll pop a tab loose in there, and do that on both sides. And as you're doing that, you can start to slowly raise this up and keep that pressed in there. By the way, you want to have the blade completely extended out so that there's room for that. And I'll show you when we get it out here. So once you have it out, then you can actually rotate the blade up and over the crawler. And at that point, you can take these out of here so you'll see the detail on this, what I'm talking about here. I'll show you on this one here. So you'll notice that little tab right here. I'll point to it with a screwdriver. And it's very fragile. You may break it as you pop it out of there, but that's okay if you do, because it can be, it'll stay in place without it. So once you have the blade rotated over the back, then you can just on the side here pull this apart. You'll see there's a little bit of a cam lock in there to hold that into place. We'll pull that out and just let it come up over the top. And we'll go to the other side. And actually it might make a difference on which side you take out first, I've noticed on this one. So if we do the same thing over here, pull that out of there, get it up out of the way. And then we're going to come back to the other side and pull that one out. And now you have free access to it to replace the tracks. So you'll notice on this particular one here, this is the original track that it came with. It does have some dry rot and cracking on the track here. So the owner of this has asked us to replace it. So this is the custom printed track that goes with it for this particular model. And so it's installing it, you just slip it over the back sprocket roller first, and then just kind of walk it onto the front roller until it back, and you'll see that it works very smoothly. To reassemble it, it's just a matter of putting the pieces back together again. So we're going to insert this side over here. So insert our blade in, flip it over, put the other one in, swing it up and over. You can attach your hydraulic cylinders again. Put those back in place. And then as you bring this down around, again, you're just going to line these up, lift up a little bit on each. Get them both started at the same time there. Let it down, and then you're going to just press this up all the way up in until they lock back into place again. And then you're good to go. Any questions? Reach out to us, eBay, Facebook, Jim Bob Toys. Thanks.